It's Playlish time! Hello, Playlishers! Are you ready for the yummy fruit quiz? Look, say, and sing with me! I am big, I am green. Look at my stripes, who am I? Watermelon, watermelon. I am round, I am orange. Roll, roll on the ground. Who am I? Orange, orange. I am red, I am tiny. Look at my seeds, who am I? Strawberry, strawberry. Look and guess, 1, 2, 3. Say it loud and sing with me. Yummy fruits, colors and shapes for you and me. Yummy fruits, look, say, sing. 1, 2, 3. I am yellow, I am long, peel me. I am smooth, who am I? Banana, I'm yellow inside, outside I'm sweet, sweet and fun to eat. Who am I? Pineapple, pineapple. I am small, I am purple. Pop, pop, in your mouth. Who am I? Grape, grape. Yummy fruits, colors and shapes for you and me. Yummy fruits, look, say, sing. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Playlishers, great job! Big and small, round and long, red, yellow, green, so bright. Ready for more? Let's go! I am red, I am round, crunchy, crunchy, sweet. Who am I? Apple, apple. I am brown outside, I am green inside. Touch me, I am fuzzy. Who am I? Kiwi, kiwi. I am yellow, I am round. Squeeze me, I am juicy. Who am I? Lemon, lemon. I am pink, I am round. Touch me, I am soap. Who am I? Peach, peach. Yummy fruits, colors and shapes for you and me. Yummy fruits, look, say, sing. 1, 2, 3. It's Playlish time. Great singing, Playlishers. Watermelon, orange, strawberry, banana, pineapple, grape, apple, kiwi, lemon, and peach. We love yummy fruits. See you next time on Playlish.